Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Ford. The report was first published on our website Friday, July 29, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell Ford? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since July 22, 2022, our system ranks the Ford stock as a sell candidate, giving it a score of 5.280. If you were following our analysis, you would have had an amazing gain of 14.59% since we first told you to buy Ford 6 days ago. This is an average return of 2.43% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Ford, our last headline reads, Ford stock upgraded from hold/accumulate to strong buy candidate after Friday trading session. The Ford stock price gained 4.93% on the last trading day, Friday, July 29, 2022, rising from $14 to $14.69. And has now gained 4 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the day, the stock fluctuated 5.57% from a day low at $14.01 to a day high of $14.79. The price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 23.65% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -50 million shares, and in total, 94 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $1.38 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $25.87, and the lowest price was $10.61. Right now the price is 43.22%, or $11.18, below 52-week high at $25.87, which also is all-time high for the stock. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -10.34% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -35.38% and -10.34%. The 12-month trend indicates a -10.28% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between -38.86% and 44.97%. This equals a price between $8.98 and $21.30 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Ford stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Ford stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Ford. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. Mostly positive signals in the chart today. The Ford stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $13.30 and $12.08. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, July 6, 2022, and so far it has risen 32.82%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a buy signal 18 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 6 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 10 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 8 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a sell signal 13 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 116 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Ford. Ford finds support from accumulated volume at $14, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock may move much during the day, volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved 78 cents between high and low, or 5.57%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 4.16%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Ford. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Ford currently has a price-earning ratio of 4.90. This is a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio and either signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued and could indicate a buying opportunity. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Ford meets first resistance at $14.98. If you do not hold Ford shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Ford finds first level of support at $14, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Ford is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On June 1, 2022, Weihmeyer John B. made an inside buy of 1,012 of Ford stock units. On June 1, 2022, Vojvodich Lin M. made an inside buy of 866 of Ford stock units. On June 1, 2022, Weinberg John S. made an inside buy of 1,299 of Ford stock units. On June 1, 2022, Thornton John L. made an inside buy of 2,440 of Ford stock units. On June 1, 2022, Kennard William E. made an inside buy of 1,117 of Ford stock units. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive at a ratio of 46.085. In total, the insiders bought 3,778,466 and sold 1,270,586 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $14.28, minus 2.81%. This stock has high daily movements and this gives high risk. The RSI 14 is 86 and this increases the risk substantially. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 17 days ago. Is Ford stock a buy? Ford holds several positive signals, and despite the stock being in a falling trend, we considered it to be a good choice at these current levels. We expect Ford stock will perform very well in the next 3 months. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a hold/accumulate to a strong buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Monday 1st, we expect Ford to open down minus 20 cents and start trading at $14.49. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.